Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ready to create unique pod phone case designs that actually stand out and sell? Click the Create button at the top, then type Phone into the search box to continue. Use this phone wallpaper size 1080 by 1920 pixels for optimal results. Make sure your image matches these dimensions to fit most smartphones perfectly. This resolution ensures your wallpaper displays clearly without stretching or pixelation on your device. Click the Elements tab in the left menu. In the search bar, type Phone Back Case and press Enter. Browse the results and select a design you want to use. Open the Mockup section and select See All to view the available options. Choose this mockup, then also select this additional one to use for our platform design. Both will be included in our project. Start by creating a new design. In the search bar, type Forest to find background elements. Browse through the results until you find a forest scene you like for your background. Select a flat graphic style from the options to keep the design simple and clean. Click on your chosen forest graphic to add it to your design. This element will now serve as the background for your project. Double-click the object to select it. You'll see handles appear around the edges. Click and drag these handles to adjust the size as needed. After resizing, double-click inside the casing to enter editing mode. This allows you to further customize or modify the contents within the selected area. After you finish making your updates, click the Apply Changes button. This will save all the modifications you've made and update your settings. Make sure to review your changes carefully before applying them to ensure accuracy. To add text, click the Text tool, then click on your canvas. Type your sample text into the box. You can select the text to change its color, style, or size using the formatting options in the toolbar to customize the appearance according to your needs. Click on Thank You. You'll notice this option updates the message for a more polished appearance. If you prefer a different style, try exploring other available templates. This version now looks better and is ready to send. Review your message, then click Send to deliver it. Customizing your thank you note helps make your communication more professional and effective in just a few clicks. When you're finished with your work, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the file type you need, either PDF print for high-quality printing or PNG for digital use. This allows you to easily save, print, or share your completed project in your preferred format. Now you can design pod phone cases that stand out using Canva. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.